Alright, this is the second blizzard vid. It's February 2nd, and most of the storm has passed. You can see in the middle of the street we've still got this giant see this giant line of snow that runs right in the middle of the street that I guess has nowhere to go right now. There's Chinard being a nerd. Let's go look at the go down here. You can see the fire hydrant that was dug out right there. You can see everyone over here clearing out, and you can just see all the snow. And there's the house. Oh, and there's the mailbox. Say this. There's the mailbox, and here's snow. I guess it's not going to be. I don't know if the mail's going to be delivered today, since you can just barely get in here. Oh, the mailbox has a bunch of snow in it, so that's cool. All right, well. Yep. Hello. Well, that's the second blizzard vid, and yeah, it's a real mess. It's a real mess. All right, that's it. Goodbye.